Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn problems based on ages. So the first question is, Sachin is younger than Rahul by 4 years. Sachin is younger than Rahul by 4 years. Rahul is the last word, so I am taking this Rahul as some constant x. Rahul's age at that is x years. Then Sachin's age. Sachin is younger, nothing but smaller than Rahul by 4 years. So if Rahul is x, then Sachin will be 4 years smaller. That is x minus 4 years. If their ages are in the respective ratio of 7:9, respective word clearly indicates the first name will be the first number and the second name will be the second number. So their ratio of their ages were given as 7:9. That is, first name is Sachin. So Sachin age x minus 4 divided by Rahul age x, that is equals to 7:9, nothing but 7 by 9. If you do cross multiplication, 9 into x minus 4 is equals to 7 into x. 9 into x, 9x minus 9 into 4, 36 is equals to 7 into x, 7x. I will take this minus 36 to the right side and bring my 7x to the left side. 9x as it is plus 7x will become minus 7x is equals to minus 36 will become plus 36. 9x minus 7x, 2x, which is equals to 36. So x is equals to 18 years. X nothing but Rahul's age. So Rahul's present age is 18 years. And then what about Sachin's age? X minus 4, that is 18 minus 4, nothing but 14 years. Rahul is 18 years old and Sachin is 14 years old. So what is asking in the question? How old is Sachin? Sachin is 14 years old. Okay, let's move to next question. The ratio between the present ages of P and Q is 6:7. If Q is 4 years older than P, so here P is the last word, so P's present age is some constant x. Then what about Q age then? Q is 4 years old. Old is nothing but bigger. So 4 years bigger or elder than P. So bigger nothing but plus. So x plus 4. P's age is x and Q's age will be x plus 4. Then the ratio between the present ages of P and Q is 6:7. P is the first word and Q is the second. So P by Q. X by x plus 4 is equals to 6:7, nothing but 6 by 7. If you do cross multiplication, 7 into x, 7x, which is equals to 6 into x plus 4. 7x is equals to 6 into x, 6x plus 6 4s are 24. I will take 6x, this side will become minus 6x. So we will get 7x minus 6x is equals to 24. 7x minus 6x, x. So x value is 24. X is nothing but P's age. So P's present age is 24 years and Q's age is x plus 4. X plus 4, that is nothing but 24 plus 4, nothing but 28 years. P's present age is 24 and Q's present age is 28. Then what exactly is asking in the question? What will be the ratio of the ages of P and Q after 4 years? Present age of P is 24. Then after 4 years, 28 divided by Q present age is 20 years, then after 4 years it will be 28 plus 4, 32. This ratio we need to find out. 4 sevens are 28, 4 8s are 32. So the ratio of P and Q after 4 years is 7:8. Okay, let's move to next question. At present, the ratio between the ages of Arun and Deepak is 4:3. After 6 years, Arun age will be 26 years. Then what is the age of Deepak's present age? At present, the ratio of ages of Arun and Deepak is 4:3. So then Arun's age will become 4x and Deepak age will become 3x. After 6 years, Arun's age will be 26. Present age of Arun is 4x. Then after 6 years means plus 6. After plus 6, Arun's age will be 26. Take plus 6 to the right side, it will become minus 6. So 4x is equals to 26 minus 6. So 4x is equals to 20. X is equals to 5 years. So it means the present age of Arun, that is 4 into 5, 20. Present age of Deepak, 3 into 5, 15. Present age of Arun is 20 years and present age of Deepak is 15 years. Then what is the question then? What is the age of Deepak at present? Deepak present age is 15 years. Let's move to next question. Present ages of X and Y are in the ratio 5:6 respectively. 7 years hence is nothing but after 7 years, that ratio will become 6:7. Then what is X present age? So present ages of X and Y are given in the ratio 5:6. So it will be present age of X will be 5x and present age of Y will be 6x. Then after 7 years, the ratio will become 6:7. After 7 years, 5x plus 7 by 6x plus 7. They said ratio, so that's why I'm taking as division. Is equals to 6:7. Nothing but 6 by 7. If we cross multiply, 7 into 5x plus 7 is equals to 6 into 6x plus 7. Outer one into first one, outer one into second one. 7 into 5x, 35x, plus 7 into 7, 49 is equals to 6 into 6x, 36x, plus 6 into 7, 42. I will take 42 to the left side and 35x to the right side. So we will get 36x as it is, plus 35x will become minus 35x, which is equals to 49 as it is, plus 42 will become minus 42. 36x minus 35x is x is equals to 49 minus 42, 7. So x is 7. Now then X present age is 5 into 7, that is 35 years, and Y's present age is 6 into X, that is 6 into 7, nothing but 42. Then he is asking the present age of X, so present age of X is 35 years. Okay, let's move to next question. The next question is 6 years ago, the ratio of the ages of Kunal and Sagar was 6:5. So they are 6:5. It is nothing but 6x by 5x. He clearly mentioned this ratio was 6 years ago. Then what is the present ratio? Plus 6 plus 6. 6 years ago, right? I want present situation, so that's why I'm adding the 6. Then 4 year hence is nothing but after 4 years, plus 4 plus 4. that ratio will become 11 is to 10, nothing but 11 by 10. So we will get 6x plus 6 plus 4 10 divided by 5x plus 6 plus 4 10 is equals to 11 by 10. If we cross multiply, 10 into 6x plus 10 is equals to 11 into 5x plus 10. 10 into 6x 60x plus 10 into 10 100, 11 into 5x 55x, 11 into 10 110. I will take 55x this side and 100 this side. So we will get 60x plus 55x will become minus 55x, which is equals to 110 minus 100. 60x minus 55x, 5x is equals to 110 minus 110. So x value is 2. Now then what he is asking exactly in the question, what is Sagar's present age? Kunal and Sagar. Kunal is first number, Sagar is second number. So second number is this one. What is Sagar's present age? The given ratio is 6 years ago. So present age will be compulsory plus 6 also. That is 5x plus 6. In the place of x, substitute 2. 5 into 2 plus 6. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 6, 16. The present age of Sagar is 16 years. Okay, let's move to next question. The next question is, the total of the ages of Jayant, Prem and Saransh is 93 years. 10 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 2 is to 3 is to 4. So, Jayant age 10 years ago is 2x. And Prem age 10 years ago is 3x. And Saransh age 10 years ago is 4x. So 2x, 3x and 4x. Then these ages are 10 years ago, right? So now we want present ages. So plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Present age of Jayant is 2x plus 10. Present age of Prem is 3x plus 10. And Saransh's present age is 4x plus 10. The total of the ages of those three is 93. 2x plus 10 plus 3x plus 10 plus 4x plus 10 is equals to 93. 2x plus 3x 5x, 5x plus 4x 9x plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 30 is equals to 93. Take 90 to the right side, so we will get 9x is equals to 93 minus 30. 9x is equals to 63. 9x is equals to 63, so x value will be 7. Now what is asking in the question? What is the present age of Saransh? Saransh's present age is 4x plus 10. 4x plus 10, that is nothing but 4 into 7 plus 10. 4 into 7, 28. 28 plus 10, 38 years. The present age of Saransh is 38 years. Okay, let's move to the next question. The ratio of the present ages of two brothers is 1 is to 2. And 5 years back, the ratio was 1 is to 3. The ratio of present ages of brothers is 1 is to 2, nothing but 1x by 2x. 5 years back minus 5 minus 5. That ratio is 1 is to 3, nothing but 1 by 3. If you do cross multiplication, 3 into 1x minus 5. 3 into minus 1x 5 is equals to 1 into 2x minus 5. 3 into 1x 3x minus 3 into 5 15. 1 into 2x 2x minus 1 into 5 5. Take 2x this side, 3x plus 2x will become minus 2x, which is equals to minus 5 as it is, minus 15 will become plus 15. 3x minus 2x, x is equals to minus 5 plus 15, 10. So x value is 10. That is nothing but we have 1x and 2x. So 1 into 10, that is 10 years, and 2 into 10, that is 20 years. One brother age is 10 years and one brother age is 20 years. Then what will be the ratio of their ages after 5 years? The present age of one boy is 10 years. So after 5 years it will become 15. One boy present age is 20 and after 5 years it will become 25. So we will get 5 threes are 5 fives are. So the ratio is 3:5. Okay, let's move to next question. Hitesh is 40 years old and Roni is 60 years old. How many years ago the ratio of their ages is 3:5? The present age of Hitesh is 40 divided by, and present age of Roni is 60 years. Then how many years ago, how many years back? We don't know that. That years ago I am taking as some constant x. That is ago, so I am doing minus. Some years ago their age was in the ratio 3:5. Now let us do cross multiplication. 5 into 40 minus x. 5 into 40 minus x is equals to 3 into 60 minus x. 5 into 40, outer one into first one, outer one into second one. 5 into 40, 200, minus 5 into x, 5x is equals to outer one into first one, outer one into second one. 3 into 60, 180, minus 3 into x, 3x. I will bring 180 this side, I will take 5x that side. 200 minus 180 is equals to minus 3x plus 5x. 200 minus 180, 20 is equals to minus 3x plus 5x, 2x. 2x is equals to 20, so x value is 10. It means 10 years ago their ages ratio was 3:5. Let's move to next question. The ratio of the ages of a man and his wife is 4:3. After 4 years, this ratio will be 9:7. So the ratio of the ages of a man and wife are given, that is 4x by 3x. After 4 years plus 4 plus 4, the ratio will be 9:7. If we do cross multiplication, 7 into 4x plus 4 is equals to 9 into 3x plus 4. 7 into 4x, 28x plus 7 4s are 28. 9 3s are 27x plus 9 4s are 36. I will bring this 27x this side, 28 that side. So we will get 28x minus 27x is equals to 36 minus 28. 28x minus 27x, x is equals to 36 minus 28, 8. So x value is 8. Then they are in the ratio of 4:3, right? So that is 4x and 3x. So 4 into 8, 32 years, and 3 into 8, 24 years. Then if at the time of marriage that ratio was 5:3, now the present ages ratio is 32:24, and some years ago they were married. How many years ago they married, we don't know. That's why I'm taking as minus x minus x. That time when they were married, the ratio was 5:3, nothing but 5/3. If we do cross multiplication, 3 into 32 minus x is equals to 5 into 24 minus x. Okay, now if we solve, 3 into 32, 96 minus 3 into x, 3x is equals to 5 into 24, 120, minus 5 into x, 5x. Now I will take minus 5x to the left side and 96 to the right side. So we will get minus 3x as it is. Minus 5x will become plus 5x, which is equals to 120, plus 96 will become minus 96. Minus 3x plus 5x, 2x is equals to 120 minus 94, 24. So x value is nothing but 12. X value is 12. It means 12 years ago they were married. They were married 12 years ago. Okay, let's move to next question. The question is, the ratio between the school ages of Neelam and Shan is 5:6. It means 5x by 6x. Next, if the ratio between 1/3 age of Neelam, this Neelam's 1/3 age, and half of Shan's age, this is Shan's age half, is equals to 5:9. 5x into 1 by 3, nothing but 5x by 3, whole divided by 6x into half, nothing but 6x by 2, is equals to 5/9. Total numerator as it is, that is 5x by 3 into reciprocal of the denominator, that is 2 by 6x, is equals to 5/9. X cancel, 2 1s are 2 3s are, so we remains with 5/9 is equals to 5/9. Whatever we solved in the solution, x value is not there at all, so it is not possible to find out the age of Shan, cannot be determined. Okay, let's move to the next question. The question is, the ratio between the present ages of A and B is 5:3. The ratio between the present ages of A and B is 5:3, nothing but 5x by 3x. The ratio between A's age 4 years ago, this A's age 4 years ago, minus 4, and B's age 4 years hence is nothing but after, so after 4 years, then that ratio will be 1:1. So if we cross multiply, 5x minus 4 into 1 is nothing but 5x minus 4 is equals to 3x plus 4 into 1, 3x plus 4. I will take plus 3x to this side, minus 4 to this side. 5x plus 3x will become minus 3x is equals to 4 as it is, minus 4 will become plus 4. 5x minus 3x, 2x is equals to 4 plus 4 is 8. So x value is nothing but 4. Then those present ages we took as 5x and 3x. So then 5 into 4, 20, 3 into 4, 12. It means the present age of A is 20 years and present age of B is 12 years. Then what is asking in the question? What is the ratio between A's age 4 years hence? A's age after 4 years. Present age is 20, so after 4 years 24. And B's age 4 years ago. Present age is 12. 4 years before or 4 years ago, it will be 8 years. So 8 1s are, 8 3s are. So the ratio of A's and B's after 4 years and before 4 years respectively is 3:1. Okay, let's move to next question. Till now, if you didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe for more videos. A is 2 years older than B, who is twice as old as C. Here the last word is C. So C's present age I am taking as some constant x. Then what is the age of B and what is the age of A? B, who is twice as C. So if C is X years means B will be double or twice of C, that is 2X. A is 2 years older than B. Older is nothing but bigger. So plus 2 years bigger than B. So B is 2X. Then this A will be 2 years bigger than him. That is 2X plus 2. If the total of their ages is 27, this total, that is x plus 2x plus 2x plus 2 is equals to 27. X plus 2x, 3x, 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 2 is equals to 27. Take plus 2, that side will become minus 2. So we will get 5x is equals to 27 minus 2. So 5x is equals to 25. So x is equals to 5. Then x is nothing but CCH, that is 5 years. Then it is 2 into 5, 10 years. This is 2 into 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12 years. So what he is asking then, how old is B? So B's present age is 10 years. Okay, let's move to the next question. A man is 24 years older than his son. So son is the last word. So son I am taking as some constant x. Then what about man? That man is 24 years older. Older is nothing but bigger. So plus x plus 24. Son is x years and man is x plus 24. In 2 years, his nothing but man age will be twice the age of his son in 2 years. Now the present age of son is x, so after 2 years he will be x plus 2. The present age of man is x plus 24. After 2 years he will become x plus 24 plus 2. Then in 2 years the father's age, that is x plus 24 plus 2 is equals to father's age after 2 years will be twice, double of the son of the x plus 2. So x plus 24 plus 2, 26 is equals to 2 into x, 2x plus 2 2s are 4. So I will take x that side and 4 this side. So 2x minus x is equals to 26 minus 4. 2x minus x is equals to 26 minus 4 is 22 years. So what is the present age of son? Son present age is nothing but x. So son's present age is 22 years. Okay, let's move to next question. "18 years ago, a father was 3 times as old as his son. Now the father is only twice as old as his son." Son is the last word, so I will take son as some constant x. Now it means present. The father is twice of the son. So father will be twice of the son, nothing but double, nothing but 2x. Then 18 years ago. 18 years ago the son will be x minus 18 and the father will be 2x minus 18. 18 years ago a father was, this father 2x minus 18 was 3 times as old as his son. So we will get 2x minus 18 equals to 3 into x, 3x minus 3 into 18, 54. I will take plus 2x this side and I will bring minus 54 this side. So we will get 3x plus 2x will become minus 2x, which is equals to 54. That minus 54 will become plus 454 minus 18 as it is. 3x minus 2x, x is equals to 54 minus 18, 36. So x value is 36. Then what is asking in the question exactly? What is the sum of the present ages of son and father. X is nothing but son. So son present age is 36. Then what is the father's present age? 2 into x, 2 into 36, 72. Then he is asking what is the sum of the present ages. That is 36 plus 72, nothing but 108 years. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, the question is the sum of the present ages of a father and his son is 60 years. Son is the last word, so I am taking that son as x. Then what about the father age? He mentioned clearly the condition. The sum of present ages of father and son is 60. These two persons ages sum is 60 years. If already we know the son age is x, then what about the father age? 60 minus x. Okay, next what he give? 6 years ago, the present age of son is x. So 6 years ago it will be x minus 6. Then the father age is 60 minus x. 6 years ago it will be 60 minus x minus 6. 6 years ago the father's age was, this father's age was 60 minus x minus 6 was 5 times the age of his son. So 60 minus 6, 54 minus x is equals to 5 into x, 5x minus 5, 6 are 30. I will take minus x that side and I will bring minus 30 this side. So 54 minus 30 will become plus 30, which is equals to 5x as it is, minus x will become plus x. 54 plus 30, 84 is equals to 5x plus x, 6x. 6x is equals to 84, then x is equals to 84 by 6, nothing but 14. Then that x 14, x is nothing but son. Then what is asking in the question? After 6 years, what will be the son age? The present age of son is 14 years. Then after 6 years, 14 plus 6, that is nothing but 20 years. After 6 years, the age of the son will be 20 years. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question is the sum of the ages of a father and his son is 45 years, same like the previous question. The word son is at the last, so I am taking son's present age as some constant x. Then the sum of those ages is 45. If son age is x, then father age will be 45 minus x. Next. 5 years ago, present age of son is x. So 5 years ago it will be x minus 5. Present age of father is 45 minus x. So before 5 years it will be 45 minus x minus 5. Then the product of their ages is 34. These two product multiplication, x minus 5 into 45 minus x minus 5 is equals to 34. X minus 5 as it is times of 45 minus 5, 40 minus x is equals to 34. First one into first one into second one. X into 40, 40x. X into minus x square. Second one into first one into second one. Minus 5 into 40 minus 200. Minus 5 into minus x plus 5x is equals to 34. 40x plus 5x, 45x minus x square minus 200 is equals to 34. Everything I am taking to the right side. 34 as it is. Minus x square will become plus x square, minus 200 will become plus 200, plus 45x will become minus 45x is equals to 0. So x square minus 45x, 34 plus 200, 234 is equals to 0. Now we need to go with splitting the middle term into two terms. If we split the middle term into two terms, x square as it is, minus 45x can be written as minus 39x minus 6x plus 234 is equals to 0. So from these two, if we take out x common, x minus 39. From these two, if we take out minus 6 common, we remains with x minus 39 is equals to 0. So we will get two factors as x minus 6 into x minus 39 is equals to 0. So here minus 6 is there, so we will get plus 6, minus 39 is there, so we will get plus 30. So now if you substitute these numbers in the question, if we take x as a 6, so son's age will be 6 and father age will be 45 minus 6, 39. Next, if we take x as 39, son's age will be 39, father's age will be 45 minus 39, 6. Always the father age should be more than the son's age, so only the answer 6 is correct. It means son age is 6 years and father age is 39 years. Okay, let's move to next question. The next question is, the sum of the ages of 5 children born at the intervals of 3 years each. It means today, for example, if in this year, if one person was born, after 3 years, one more boy will born. Or then after again 3 years, one more. Again 3 years, one more, like that. So what is the age of the youngest child? So he clearly mentioned 5 children are there and each having an interval of 3 years. So first child I am taking as X, who was born in this year. His age is X years. Then who will be born again after 3 years? Present who was born, his age will be more than the person who are going to born in the next 3 years. That is, so minus we need to do. First child is X, then next child will be X minus 3 years, again next child will be X minus 6 years, again next child will be X minus 9 years, again next child will be X minus 12 years. Now these all sum is 50. X plus x minus 3 plus x minus 6 plus x minus 9 plus x minus 12 is equals to 50. X plus x 2x 3x 4x 5x minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 minus 10 minus 10 minus 18 minus 18 minus 12 minus 30 is equals to 50. If we take 30 that side, we will get 5x is equals to 50 plus 30. 5x is equals to 80, so x is equals to 16. Then what is asking? What is the age of the youngest child? He is the youngest child, so that is x minus 12. X is nothing but 16. 16 minus 12 is equals to 4 years. The age of the youngest child is 4 years. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, the difference between the ages of two persons is 10 years. The difference, previous two problems we solved, but in that case they gave sum of the two. But here he gave the difference. So whenever we are dealing with minus or difference, we need to be very careful because a lot of chances are there where we will do mistakes. The difference between the ages of two persons is 10 years. So first person age we don't know, second person present age also we don't know. So first person present age, I am taking it as some constant x. Then what about the second person? He gave mentioned clearly difference. These two persons difference is given clearly. So then the second person age will be x minus 10. So it means the difference, right? This means bigger one minus smaller one. So this fellow first person is the elder person. Elder person minus smaller person, difference will be 10. Next, 15 years ago, this person 15 years ago, now it is x, so 15 years ago it will be x minus 15, and this fellow will be x minus 10 minus 15, nothing but x minus 25. 15 years ago, the elder one was twice the younger one. Elder one. 15 years ago, this elder one was twice the smaller one. X minus 15 is equals to 2 into x. 2x minus 2 into 25, 50. I will take minus 50 this side and x that side. 2x minus x is equals to 50 minus 15. X is equals to 35. Then what is the present age of elder person? Elder person present age is 35 years. Next, let us move to next question. Till now, if you didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe for more videos. 19th question. In 10 years, A will be twice as old as B was 10 years ago. If A is now 9 years older than B, so B is the last word, so the present age of B is X. Then what about the present age of A? He clearly mentioned A is now 9 years older. Older is nothing but elder. Elder is nothing but bigger. So 9 years bigger. So X plus 9. Next, in 10 years, after 10 years, A will be, this after 10 years, A will be twice. After 10 years, this A will be twice as old as B was 10 years ago. 10 years ago. So if we solve it, x plus 9 plus 9, 19, which is equals to 2 into x, 2x minus 20. Now I will bring minus 20 this side and plus x this side. So we will get x is equals to 39. Then what he is asking, what is the present age of B? So B's present age is x, that x is nothing but 39. So the present age of B is 39 years. So let's move to the next question. The question is, Ayesha's father was 38 years of age when she was born. Ayesha as well as father, two candidates are there till now. While her mother was 36 years old when her brother 4 years younger to her was born. Then what is the difference between the ages of their parents? Ayesha's father was 38 years of age. So Ayesha's present age, if I am taking as x, then father age will be 38 years, nothing but x plus 38. It means if present she born means 0 years, so 0 plus 38. After 1 year, 1 plus 38, like that. Next. And one more, brother is there as well as mother is there. Now these two we need to create. Okay, look at it now. When she was born, okay. While her mother was 36 years old when her brother 4 years younger to her. For Ayesha, one brother is there who is younger. How many? 4 years younger. So Ayesha is x, means this brother will be x minus 4. Next, when this brother was born, that mother was 36 years old. X minus 4 plus 36. Then what is asking, what is the difference between the ages of the parents? Always the father's age will be more than the mother's age. So father's age minus mother's age. That is father age is x plus 38 minus mother's age is x minus 4 plus 36. x plus 38 minus of x minus into minus 4 plus 4 minus into plus 36 minus 36 plus x minus x will get cancelled. 38 plus 4 42 minus 36 6. So the difference between the ages of her parents is 6 years. Till now, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.